We're on our way down to a new spot. Something awesome. Something new, fun, and exciting. Hope it turns out really good. I hope we find a lot of stuff. And yeah, also a little different. I'm not by myself today. And that boat you see in front of you, we're going to be on that. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm just happy to be out the house and be here, you know. You guys want to catch a ton of fish today? Huh? You guys like, you like pro anglers and stuff? You don't mind it. I know, just messing around for on the camera. That's right. What's a mini? Oh, you fish for minnows first?
I put a trap out.
Oh, you already did previously? That's what I'm talking about, professional angler. Look at this guy.
You don't like the fish.
Right, I'm out here with the Bassmaster. This little guy is holding on for dear life in this boat. Yep, bald eagle. I can see it on the thing now. Wait,
I told him it was a hawk.
No, wait. Is it?
Bald eagle there, buddy.
Yeah, I think it really is. These birds are like all up in our shit.
It's in shallow drive too, so it ain't much.
What the Oh, blue herring. Awesome. Yep. All right. I found some kind of cover off a little camping stove over there and an old Chevy rally rim. It's on its lure. South Bend. Well, guys, I'm not really finding too much, but I'm having a good time. I'm out here on the water. I'm in the river. See? Look at these guys floating down the river with the boat. How day it is right now. Not really too much about flying stuff maybe, but just get down here and have a good time. Some kayakers coming.